Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video and it is May's edition of Joahbox. And this is what it looks like. It's a Korean makeup and skincare subscription box. It ships worldwide for free and it comes all the way from South Korea. Each box costs $33, which is equivalent to around 26 UK pounds. And that is for a monthly box, which you can cancel any time. You can opt for a one-off box, which will cost you around $36 or around £27. And then they offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. Inside contains around 5 beauty items, a good mix of skincare, makeup and hair care, and in every single box I've had since I've been receiving this box I've always had a face mask, so I think a face mask is a norm. That's what I'm getting anyway. I've been with them now since before Christmas and I absolutely love the subscription. This is gifted. They do send it to me for free in exchange for unboxing on my YouTube channel, but all thoughts and opinions and everything remain my own, and if it was a box that I didn't think was worth it or I didn't enjoy, then I would stop it. I would say no more, no more. When you sign up to Joahbox, you fill in a short questionnaire and you say your skin type, your skin tone and a preference of whether you prefer skincare or makeup so that they can tailor this box closer to your needs. You can go on their website and you can see past boxes, so if this box takes your fancy and you'd rather see what previous months have been like, then you can do that on their website as well. I do have a refer a friend code which entitles you to, I believe, 10% off your first subscription. All details related to this box and their website and the subscription I will link down below. So underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click that, that will bring up description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. I haven't had a look yet. I like to have surprises. I don't get any press releases, nothing like that. So I like to open it up with you as we go along. Okay, I'll just get the little bits and pieces here. We always get a little card like this and it just shows that it's the Joahbox May box, and then we get a leaflet inside and it tells you everything about the products, plus it gives you the cost as well, so I'm able to tell you what the value of this month's box is. And then I'll give you a quick sneak of what we got. Hopefully you can see there. So the first item we got is a Thank You Farmer. Okay, Thank You Farmer 50 plus Sun Project Light Sun Essence SPF 50 plus. Oh wow, 40 ml there. By Thank You Farmer. That's what it looks like there. I'm hoping it's a face one, only because I find face SPFs quite hard to find a nice one that sits well on top of my skincare but also underneath my makeup without my makeup and everything going a bit yuck. See there? So what's the information say? So the recommended retail price for this is $27 and it says a lightweight face serum, yay, that deeply hydrates skin for a natural glow. The formula offers a semi-matte finish, makes skin look and glowy. No stickiness, no white cast, no greasy. Okay, the formula is free of mineral oil, paraben, benzophenone, artificial pigment and chlorphenicine. The face serum, this face serum absorbs fast and safe for all skin types. And it just says reapply every day no matter happens, 20 minutes before going out and under your makeup if you wear some. I am so chuffed to try that because some of them cost an absolute fortune, and yeah, I do try quite a few, but not a lot. As I said, not a lot suits my skin. Oh, it smells nice. Just a nice fresh smell. Yeah, it absorbs well into my skin as well. In fact, that is factor 50. I am so chuffed for that. So I'll be giving that a go straight away. So that's the first item. Next, we got a sort of shiny something. What is this? Luxe Metal Glitter by Riri, I think it is. And it says number 2 Silver Swan. Ooh. Ooh, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see there properly. It's like a lipstick. It's not a lipstick, is it? Is it a lipstick? No. It can't be. That'd be mad if it is. That's what it looks like there. Let's open it up. It's for your eyes, it's gotta be. Let's try my hand. Oh, that's pretty. Can you see a little bit in the corner? Okay, it's like, honestly, I have not seen this box whatsoever. It says be careful, this is not a lip gloss, but an eyeshadow. The recommended retail price for this is $13, and it says it can be used on top of eyeshadows or by itself to give a glitter effect to your makeup. This liquid eyeshadow is long lasting, super adhesive, hydrating and does not smudge. It is very easy to apply and it comes in 3 different shades. So I've got Silver Swan, but there was a sort of pinky Aurora and a bronze beam, like a copper down the bottom there. So yeah, no, and that's just completely stuck now. It's not coming off. So that's our second product. Next we got a tool. This is by Kicho, I think it is, and it says Real Curved Multi-Brush. So nice brush there. So I'd imagine, this is what I'd imagine. I've never used this brush before, but I'd imagine because of the curve, it would be nice, I don't know, blush or something like that. Blush, I'd say, mainly because of the curve. I don't know. Or if you're feeling creative, top half highlight, middle blush, bottom a bit like a bronze or a contour. Do it all in one sweep. I don't know. Let's see what it says. I can't find the leaflet. So the recommended retail price for this is $24. This multi-usage synthetic brush is perfect for liquid, cream and powder foundations. Oh, okay. Its curved shape allows for perfect application all over the face, plus it is lightweight and super easy to clean. Use this brush to apply powder or creamy foundation. Don't forget to clean it after every use. Right, okay, so it's not just to apply like blush or something like that. Yeah, how strange. How strange. Because some parts of your face aren't curved, are they? But I suppose, I don't know. I'll give that a go anyway, see what it's like. And then next we've got our mask, which is, what's this? W Lab. Oh, it's a 3-step hair steam ampule mask cap. Oh my gosh, so you've got like a mask there, a cap there, and then you've got whatever is down here, like a 3-step hair care set. Does it say? Step 1 is your treatment, step 2 is your steam mask cap, step 3 is your ampule. Alright, and that's what it says. It's got it all in Korean, so thankfully this leaflet has the English translation and French translation as well. The recommended retail price for this is $15. This 3-step hair pack helps reduce the appearance of dry, frizzy hair while offering deep moisture that lasts. The intensive ampule coats every hair to prevent dehydration and helps retain nutrients. It replenishes and nourishes hair while boosting moisturizing effect with the help of the steam hair cap. First, after you shampoo, towel dry your hair and apply the treatment, step 1, evenly. Second, put the steam cap, step 2, on and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Be careful, it might get hot, but it's normal. And then it says last, rinse and apply the last ampule. Step 3, on your dry hair. Oh my gosh, I've never tried anything like this before. So it'd be interesting to try that. So yeah, a bit different. And then lastly, we've got our face mask. And this is the one I tried to pull out earlier, but it's quite a large one. This is by Diaryofabeautygeek and Beauty Inside Bamboo Nude Seal Sheet, and it just says Collaboration Speciale. And that's what it looks like there. So it doesn't really tell me much about it on the front there. So the recommended retail price for this is $4, and it says these facial sheet masks are formulated with bamboo and other plant extracts. They are deeply moisturizing, and our nude seal sheet means that it will look like you are not wearing anything. And it says unfold the mask and remove the protective film, apply it onto a dry and clean face for 10 to 15 minutes. The remaining essence should be used on your neck and face. When you remove the mask, don't forget to pat the remaining essence. So those are all the items. So I'll just gather them all up and I'll add them all up as well. So these are all the items. We've got 5 in total, and it comes to around $84. I think this box has the highest value box I've had so far. It's usually between 60 to 70 around there, but yeah, no, this is definitely higher. So yeah, so what we got a Luxe Metal Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. We've got a 3-step hair mask. We've got a face sheet mask. We've got a SPF 50 face cream, and we've got a foundation curved brush as well for your face. So no, as always, I am really chuffed with it. It's something a little bit different. I'm really excited to see how this SPF works. I use SPF all the time, and it's something I do have troubles finding. So yeah, I'm curious to see what this brush is like, and yeah, and this hair mask as well. And yeah, sheet masks, I love sheet masks. And this eyeshadow, I don't think it's going to be something I'd wear a lot, but something to keep in my collection that I'd use mainly more like going out or something if I want to like jazz up my eyes or whatever. So no, so I'm quite chuffed with it. I think the thing that stands out the most is definitely the SPF cream, and I just hope that it works. I hope that it works. So yeah, so as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What did you think of this month's box? It's a little bit late me uploading it. I've just been away to Amsterdam, and yeah, that took a lot of time prepping to go and things like that, and I just didn't have time to unbox it, unfortunately. So yeah, this should be going up hopefully either the end of May or the beginning of June. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.